Today is Taco Thursday. So what you need is a carrot, cheese, mince, and tomatoes, and lettuce, and a taco pack. And we need a knife, a scraper, and a board, and a bowl. So it starts now, and what we need to do first is a carrot. So get your thing. So next what we need is a knife. So we did it. Now what we need is this grater. So next what we're going to do is cheese. So next what we're going to do is tomatoes. So we're cutting the tomatoes up. So lettuce time. So next what we're going to do is rip it up or crunch it up. So next what we're going to do is pour this onto here. And then we're going to pat it dry. And then next what we're going to do is the sauce with scissors. Tacos and mix. We need a plate and then we put them on the plate. So we need baking paper and a tray for the tacos to go in the oven later. So here we have 150 ml water. And next we have spices. And then we have a spoon. And then we have scissors. And then we have meat. We have to pour this in. And then we have to break it up with this spoon. Now what we're going to do is put the seasoning. So we're going to leave it for 10 minutes and then put the tacos in for after 7. Very hot and you have to have an aloe with you. So you need a parrot with you so you can tip it in a bowl. So you need a parrot to get the tacos out of the oven. Enjoy your taco birthday!